Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Known for its unmatched elegance and superior engineering in the motorcoach sector, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome goes beyond the traditional concept of a recreational vehicle. It is essentially a timeless palace of wealth. These custom vehicles are more than just means of transportation. They are painstakingly designed mobile homes that epitomize luxurious living on wheels, with elegance and grandeur defining each minute aspect. The foundation of a 2026 Prevost Motorhome is a heavy-duty, commercial-grade bus chassis, which is well known for its strength, smooth air-ride suspension, and exceptional longevity. The integration of extremely heavy and sophisticated luxuries is made possible by this foundational strength, which guarantees a smooth and stable ride that belies the enormous amount of inside luxury. The outside is frequently embellished with unique paint jobs, elaborate graphics, and highly polished stainless steel embellishments, all of which preserve the sleek profile of a contemporary coach and are a monument to the converter's painstaking craftsmanship and the owner's unique vision. When parked, smoothly integrated slide-out parts significantly increase the internal living area, and large, shaded panoramic windows provide wide vistas while preserving privacy. Visiting a Prevost RV is like visiting a luxurious, custom-built home. Each surface, fixture, and piece of furniture is selected for its exceptional quality and visual appeal. Large living spaces are covered in hand-finished hardwood floors that are frequently inlaid with elaborate designs. Custom lighting schemes such as recessed LEDs, ornamental chandeliers, and delicate accent lighting are commonly used to decorate ceilings and create a variety of ambiances. Rich textiles, exquisite leathers, or polished exotic woods, frequently adorned with elaborate paneling and workmanship, cover the walls. The living space is made to be as comfortable and entertaining as possible. Large, retractable HD TVs and cutting-edge sound systems are frequently positioned in front of plush, custom-made couches and recliners that inspire rest. With its full-sized, professional-grade stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and frequently a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, and induction cooktop, the galley kitchen is a chef's paradise. Dedicated dining spaces offer a classy setting for formal or informal dinners, usually containing a king-size bed with a high-end mattress, plenty of closet space with walk-in capability, and another large television. The master bedroom is a private haven. With its roomy showers that frequently have numerous spray heads or even steam capabilities, tastefully built vanities with custom sinks, and advanced toilet systems, the ensuite bathroom rivals those seen in upscale residences. Guests often have access to additional half baths. The real ingenuity of a 2026 Prevost Motorhome is found in its hidden infrastructure, which goes beyond its outward grandeur. Multiple zones are kept at ideal temperatures by sophisticated climate control systems. Large battery banks, generators, and shore power connections are all managed by complex electrical systems. Effective waste management and a supply of fresh water are guaranteed by comprehensive water filtration and management systems. Modern automation systems, which frequently use voice commands or integrated tablet controls, allow users to easily control lighting, shades, entertainment, and security. These Prevost RVs are more than just automobiles. They are symbols of unmatched luxury and complete independence that enable their owners to travel the world without ever sacrificing the elegance and grandeur of a genuinely spectacular house. Indeed, these are the classic castles of riches on wheels.